There we go. Hello everybody, welcome to Bitcoin Daily, 9 a.m, so forth, so forth. Today is Wednesday. It's raining here a little bit in Norway, but Bitcoin is doing well. It's up 1.85%. The big question is, are we good? Is this enough? Did we pump enough to confirm any kind of breakout or anything like that? And as you see on the chart already right now, we are right now sitting at 59k. 59.1, 1.85% up. We are above the 50 moving average up here. We got 50 more minutes until 4-hourly close, which is actually very, very nice. And we are expecting this to, close above the resistance level over here. You're also gonna see a little bit more other interesting ideas over here that are right now playing out. So this move over here towards upside, we're gonna go to 1-hourly time frame. It's actually breaking towards upside. I've been looking at this. I clicked the wrong button over here. I was looking a little bit at this move over here, and it does look very, very bullish. So you see over here, this top line over here, this channel. So we've been channeling up here towards upside, and right now we broke that through that. So we are consolidating over here top. We do not want to fall back inside the channel below over here. So if you see a continuation of the bounce over here towards upside, this is extremely, extremely bullish. It's already bullish because this is a rising channel. I keep telling you guys that any kind of time you have a rising channel that breaks towards upside, extremely, extremely bullish. So this 1-hourly over here move right now, it's confirming that bullishness on the chart. You also see here on the 4-hourly right now that this last candle up here right now that's bouncing towards upside, still 50 minutes left, just might create this double bottom over here towards upside over here, and it is looking like it's breaking towards upside. Unfortunately, not quite over yet. If you expand in entirety of this move, you'll right now see that that we are hitting the resistance level up here, considering these tops and these bottoms over here. This channel is hitting resistance right now. So I think we still need to do a little bit more moves towards upside to actually break towards upside where we actually should be. If you remember back in the day, when we are somewhere over here, we had this channel over here that went something like this, give or take. And let's put this channel all the way down to the bottom down there, and there you go. And you'll see right now that over here we had a breakout of the outside of this channel up here. We had a first breakdown capitulation. We could consolidate over here a couple of times, then broke up, failed to move right back down to the support level over here, bounced all the way to the top of the channel. So this channel is pretty much confirmed right now. Pulled back slowly over here, hit that, consolidated up here. Right now we're breaking outside of this 4-hourly channel towards the upside. It does look very, very nice. There is another line up here that's very important, and we're gonna do it like this over here. We're gonna just do it like this. I'm gonna pull this line all the way up here towards the tops. You'll see that this line needs also to break this next level over here of the resistance. But right now, the way I see it, we are hitting that resistance level. We still got a little bit more room left to go before we can technically confirm, okay, the breakout is legit and all of that. But it starts from the bottom. It starts from the bottom, and the bottoms are always a little bit zigzaggy. You never know whether it's gonna do the move or not, but it does start looking good, and it's getting ready to break out. That said over here, let's go back to the 4-hourly time frame over here again. I'm still looking at this bigger channel over here and looking for this to break towards the upside. Still not quite there yet. Over here we are hitting that resistance level also on this big move towards upside. I'm a little bit worried that right now, even though this bullish move over here that right now is breaking towards upside, even though this bullish move is breaking towards upside up here, I'm a little bit worried that this can actually pull back very easily over here and then do another move towards downside. This is technically a probability over here right now that it can pull back towards downside, but nothing is set in stone just yet. But we are still stupidly bullish. Nothing has changed or besides that. Yes, we are hitting the resistance level, but on the way towards upside over here, once we start going towards 60, 70k and 80k towards upside, there is a whole bunch of resistance level. There is a whole bunch of resistance level that needs to be broken. So being at resistance level does not mean that we are bad. That said, Bitcoin dominance is not breaking down just yet. Over here we'll pull the moving averages as well. If you go to the weekly time frame up here, last week we actually managed to close bounce on the 20 moving average, close above the 10, getting some kind of dodgy. There is a very good chance for Bitcoin dominance to still continue going towards upside because the breakout did not come just yet, and it is holding these support levels over here very, very nicely so far. So the bounce over here when it comes to Bitcoin dominance is very probable, and it is one of these things that could happen very easily. That doesn't mean that, you know, it's in any way, shape or form bearish for altcoins, but it does mean that if Bitcoin bounces, you know, to 70, 80, 90k or something like that we might see dominance explode towards the upside. That might be some kind of, you know, ending move. So if Bitcoin bounces, you know, from 50 to 70k, altcoins might lag a little bit. But, you know, as soon as this bounce is over, if it does happen, you know, we will see after that altcoins are gonna explode right after that. On the other hand, if Bitcoin bounces 70, 80, 90k and this starts breaking towards downside, we will see altcoin just exploding. So entire move from, you know, 60 right now to 70, 80, 90k, altcoins should explode if this breaks towards downside. So whether this goes towards upside or downside, it really doesn't matter. We are still looking at Bitcoin dominance to figure out, you know, at what point, you know, can we expect altcoins to do these, you know, major pumps like 20% per day at least. Some coins are gonna do like 50%. It's gonna be crazy, right? But it really doesn't matter which way this goes, because if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. The only question is whether altcoins are gonna outperform Bitcoin or not. So this doesn't matter that much. Ethereum Bitcoin chart right now is consolidating over here. This to me looks like a bull flag though, guys. I don't know about you, this looks like a bull flag over here. Big impulsive move with a consolidation pattern up here at the resistance level right now, consolidating over here. It is actually really technically nice bull flag over here, and the target for this bull flag is all the way up here. 64, whatever that means, 0.064, whatever that means, right? Regardless of that, if Ethereum goes all the way up here to, you know, it is technically broken out of this channel. Regardless of the time frame we are looking at this at, like monthly time frame, you know, weekly time frame, daily time frame, regardless of time frame, if this breaks towards the upside, it does look very nice. And we are still looking for Ethereum to break towards the upside over here. When is that gonna happen? Don't know quite yet, just yet. I mean, we are still waiting for that move, but you know, it can happen whenever it wants to happen, because it is already getting let me see this trend line over here. I mean, it is over, guys. I'm seeing it right now on the RSI. You can see up here RSI from this you know, from this top over here, when it started consolidating towards downside over here, it broke the trend over here. Right now retesting it, guys. Momentum is building towards upside over here, but this is on the monthly time frame, so it can take, you know, a couple of more months. Monthly time frame are very you know, slow moving, but it's gonna happen, guys. I'm giving it like 2 month stops. It's gonna happen, and Ethereum Bitcoin chart is gonna break towards upside over here. Like, this looks extremely good. Like, this RSI line over here is already broken. There is a retest. There is a momentum over here building up during this consolidation phase up here in this, inside this box. You'll see the box up here. I mean, there is the box over here. This capitulation move up here, there's the box up here, has been going on right now for, you know, 6 months or something like that. And the move is gonna come very soon. Once actually this starts happening and Ethereum starts, you know, pumping towards upside, it's pretty much over. Altcoins are gonna explode, guys. So we are getting very close to that moment that everybody is expecting, that you know, euphoria moment, and we are getting very close. Bitcoin dominance looks good. Again, Bitcoin dominance, where it goes up and down, really doesn't matter. We do want it to break down, because that's going to indicate that we want to see Bitcoin going up and dominance going down, because that's going to indicate altcoin season, right? But if Bitcoin goes up and dominance explodes, like the faster it explodes towards the upside, the more confidence can we be that altcoin season is right around the corner. Right now, again, Bitcoin sitting up here at resistance level, not so much happening there. Ethereum also doing the same kind of move. I think it's doing the same kind of move up here. Resistance level up here, give or take, towards downside. I think that this line should go all the way over here, something like that. Where is the midline over here? There's something like this, maybe, give or take. It's also sitting at the resistance level, but it's consolidating over here at these stops right now. There might come, you know, some kind of move, you know, another spring towards downside over here. This looks like a double bottom up here, but the double bottom is not confirmed, so it could be, you know, triple bottom and then go towards upside as well. I'm being bullish, getting bullish. I don't know how bullish more can you get. Like, the only thing we're waiting for right now is when I'm gonna break up. Like, there is nothing else. The fear is already, you know, maximum fear right now. Right now, city fear level sitting at 28, 27 yesterday, 26 day before that, People are, you know, people who sold it down here at the bottom thinking that it's gonna go back down to 40k or whatever, right? Didn't happen. Right now we are already having bounce on the weekly time frame. It's already only 4 days left. We still got, you know, on the weekly time frame, we still got a whole bunch of way to go to, you know, get out of this 70k levels, whatever they are, over here somewhere. You can see up here, I mean, we got still a whole way to go. But by the time you're at 4k over here, you know, it's pretty much gonna be over, right? By the time you're at 4k over here and, you know, a bounce towards upside. This is Ethereum, right? Bitcoin is a little bit different over here. It goes something like this over here. That's the channel over here for Bitcoin. Give or take, maybe a little bit more towards downside, give or take over here. You can see up here, I mean, there is a whole bunch of way to go on the bigger time frames. But these small time frames always indicate, you know, what's gonna happen next, right? And it does look very, very nice. Let me just see one more thing over here on the RSI. Yeah, the RSI, so you see over here, the same kind of RSI line over here that we had towards downside over here. Then we broke that and we did a retest up here. And right now we're climbing towards upside. It already looks very, very good, guys. It already looks very, very good. Also, you'll see over here these momentum moves that are actually moving towards upside. So this one and this one is going towards downside. This one is going towards upside. That means the loss on momentum on the way towards downside. It looks good. So if you go back to over here to the 4-hourly time frame, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and this channel that we were right now talking about. I think there is a very good chance to break this towards upside over here. Even with a small pullback up here, this is definitely gonna break towards upside. Are we good, guys? I think we're good, man. How you doing, Dr. Frankness? What's up? Should we buy now? Let me just tell you. Let's go back to the Telegram channel and ask our favorite person. This is July 5th. July 5th, that's over here. When is July 5th? This is July 5th, guys. No, this is July 5th. Friday. All the way, you know, this move over here. July 5th, 6:30. This is right over here, right here at the bottom, guys. I don't think you understand. There was this guy. Let me show you something. There is this guy in a Telegram chat. Let me just do it without picture. You know, good morning, 6:37, good morning, the bottom is in, buy everything, exactly down here, right, when he says the bottom is in, the bottom is in. Guys, ApeCoin, what's ApeCoin doing? I don't want to look at ApeCoin, like, I'm depressed, man. It's up 1.66%. Ape reached almost zero. The green is going. Did you guys see the where is it? Let me find, is it Da Vinci? Not Da Vinci Resolve. Da Vinci J15. Let me see over here, shorts. Latest. When was that video? Maybe I did post it in the Telegram chat. Regardless, the moon says that XRP is going to zero. I think one more low is probable. What's up, way by? How you doing, man? Entertainment, Kaspa. How's Kaspa doing today, right now? Kaspa is right now up 0.12%. Kaspa is actually looking very, very good. Like, look at this over here, these moves up here. Like, it is looking like it wants to bounce out of this channel towards the upside. Like, it looks really strong. Like, this chart over here, just like Tron chart, it looks really strong. Like, Tron chart looks strong, Kaspa chart looks strong. I think, without actually seeing Solana in the over here, Solana chart also right now coming inside this box over here. There's a lot to talk about Solana ETFs. I think Solana is going to perform well as well. Solana is about to move as well, but there are not actually that a lot of good charts, but Tron chart is one of the charts that we've been watching since the bottoms, and it's just so strong, and Kaspa looks very, very strong as well. I mean, look at the chart over here, it just still keeping towards the upside. Like, even this downtrend up here, it just keeps on buying, right? Do we have any other charts over here? Cardano went all the way back down to 0. Whatever that is. I'll go up here, no. Do we have any other good chart? Say KB. Let me see over here a little bit on just you know, different charts. VChain up here now, XLM, XRD looks Matic OP is done by a bunch of, how's Matic doing up here? This, remember this stop up here right now, it's Matic came almost all the way down to the all-time low, not all-time low, but this previous low over here. Matic pulled back so much, and there is not a lot to talk about Matic right now. I don't know why. BNB chart also looks good. I don't know if you remember, guys, the major FUD over here at the bottom, and me screaming, you know, it's not gonna die. It's not gonna die. Let's see up here. GT up here is doing okay. BNB. No. Casey had this major dump over here because of some investigation or something like that, if I remember correctly. Leo, Bitfinex, Leo token is actually, the chart actually looks very nice, even though it's just going sideways over here. I think we need to look at this on bigger time frames over here. Yeah, the Leo token, the Bitfinex token is also looking nice. MX token looks very good. All of these, you know, all of these exchange charts actually looks very, very nice. Jupiter is down by bunch ARB cake. I don't know, but there is definitely not a lot of charts that look very, very good, right? Time to render up here looks okay. It's pulling back. How much did render pull back over here? 60%, guys. Everything is down 60-70%. I don't think you all know. Pepe looks good over here on the chart, even it's down a bit. Yeah, Bonk looks also very, very nice. Like this chart up here looks very, very nice. VIF up here. VIF is still that fund that they're gonna use to put VIF on hat on the Las Vegas sphere. So I think that's gonna, you know, definitely pump over here. Bonk looks very nice. Baby Dodge up here. Brett, I don't know why I have Brett over here. Pixel. Godzilla. A lot of stuff is actually like, we know. The only bullish thing I can see right now on Ape right now is the bottoms, man. The bottoms. That's the only thing, a bullish thing I can see on Ape right now. But right now these things are actually going down heavily. I don't think I have any other chart that looks very, very bullish. Like Kaspa and Tron are two of the most bullish charts. XRP right now, if this isn't the bottom for XRP, I don't know, guys. If this is not the bottom for XRP, I don't know. Let's see over here a little bit on the chart. It's coming down very, very low down here. Let's see on the daily time frame. It's gonna take a little bit more while, but it could be low for the XRP though. It could be low. Like this encapsulation candle up here. Let me just see the volume up here. There is no volume. Link. Yeah, Link looks also okay. It's below the moving average over here. People are gonna keep on saying that this is some kind of triple top or anything like that. But it did explode like 3x or something like that, 3-4x over here. 4x towards the upside, 300% on the dollar right now, pulling back something like 40%, maybe 40-50%, 50% towards the downside up here towards the blue box. It came into the blue box down here a little bit over here. Maybe it needs another move inside that liquidity area, but it's already kind of went inside the liquidity area a little bit over here. Not that much, but a little bit. And this part over here, when it comes to Link up here, it's been you know, you can see the volume is going down, so the move is going to happen again very, very soon. You can see over here also the consolidation up here at one point it just explodes. Consolidation over here at one point it just explodes towards the upside. It looks good. Chile is OP. Turbo looks okay. Chappies. Let's not look at the chappies. Bitcoin 1.7% right now, pulling back a little bit over here towards downside. We're gonna check that out. Held strong in the last rundown. Kaspa. KRC 20 beta coming back online, 15 forecast network. Probably Bitcoin ranging during summer. We are already at the end of the summer. I don't know if you know, man, but you know, it's July right now, and I don't know how that works, you know, in your part of the world, but in Norway, July is the last part of the summer, right? Because after July, you know, everybody starts coming back mid-August. All the kids are back in school, And there it is. In Croatia, it's summer in full swing. Yeah, it's summer in full swing. So I'm guessing, you know, a couple more months, you know, until the euphoria starts kicking in, because nobody cares about, you know, crypto. But when they come back from vacation, you know, everybody's really excited, good mood. They got a little bit color on their skin because they've been under the sun, you know, and like, you know what, I think I want to throw away money on some Bonk or Pepe or Dogecoin or something like that, right? And then you get a bull market, right? So, you know, the markets don't follow Norway till I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe. We don't know. It looks good, guys. It looks good, although it's not done yet. Again, it's not done yet. You'll see over here on the daily time frame. Right now, we try and just get back above these moving averages. We are not even above the 200 moving average. So, you know, we're still consolidating over here, even though this 4-hour time frame up here is hitting the resistance level. So, could we have another move towards downside up here before that? I mean, triple the bottom. Why not? All right, it's gonna take a while. We are not quite there yet, but it starts from the bottom. The bottom is where the fear is, right? Right now we are at, you know, 26, 27, 28 fear, and then it slowly starts climbing towards upside. Nobody believes you can actually get up. Everybody still believes in 40k or 35k or whatever, 44k, you know, 50k levels towards downside. Everybody still believes in these very, very low levels. I mean, how much was this? 53k. Everybody still believes that, you know, we're gonna go below 50k. This is not over, bull run is done, double top, nothing is happening. But, you know, then Bitcoin starts climbing slowly, you know, nobody believes, and then suddenly, you know, yeah, but it's not dumping, you know, it's still slowly going down, and at one point it just explodes. And when it explodes, it's too late, because Bitcoin is at right now at, you know, 80k, 90k, and it explodes, and everybody's like, oh my god, I missed the, you know, 53k bottom. And by that time, you know, they have no other chance than the FOMO in. And when they start FOMO in, that will be the exit liquidity that the big money is looking for. Everything goes through the roof. A lot of stuff, you know, at some kind of tops, there is a lot of money coming in. People can actually cash out, and, you know, bull market is over at that point. But nobody's here right now. Right now we got you know, my channel is not really good reference for how well crypto is doing, but I did see the other channels that you know, the interest is very, very low. Let's go and look at the Bitcoin Google Trends, Bitcoin in Norway. Past day doesn't say much. Last 30 days over here, it is kind of going a little bit over here, but past 90 days, it's been going out steadily towards the downside. Right now, maybe it's climbing a little bit over here. Let's see, past 12 months, still at these very, very low levels. This is Norway, right? Worldwide, you know, the chart should be same up here. So we are very low levels over here, and you know, this is where we want to be. This is where you want to be, regardless whether you are buying McDonald's or Google or Nvidia or Tesla or anything like that. You want to buy when nobody cares, right? When nobody cares, that's when you want to care. When everybody cares, that's the exit liquidity, right? When everybody cares, that's the exit liquidity. You do not want to be exit liquidity. You want to be the guy that cares when stuff is down. When you start Alco Plus analysis clip, stop will be near. I was actually thinking about, you know, start doing that again. So, you know, but you are correct, Ebamark. When I start doing altcoin videos, the top is definitely in, guys. Every time Bitcoin pops, it has a 2-3 small candles first on the weekly. Did you move? Your room looks different. No, I just my you know, thing is open. How do you say? Closet is open. Number one game. I have absolutely no clue what it is. Anyways, guys, that's it for a, you know, quick and dirty Bitcoin update. What's happening? We don't still have any kind of, you know, big moves, confirmation, anything like that, but we are pretty confident that this might have just been, you know, the bottom over here. Could we have another move over here and then go towards upside? This next move can actually go below the 53k if it does go down over here and then explode towards upside. Yeah, but we are very, very close, guys. Very, very close. Longing or shorting? What is in your closet? Papers. Like, well, this is the office. There is one closet. There is, you know, a whole bunch of papers inside. Give us a tour of your house. Am I gonna... You want me to show you my, you know, personal, private papers, like live on stream? Nah, I don't think that's gonna happen, man. Nah. Be happy what you get. You get a little bit of the wall, a little bit of the closet, a couple of, you know, YouTube stuff over here at the top, and that's it. That's what you get. And the chair. You get the chair. That's the tour of the house, guys. Anyways, guys, again, have a nice day. Enjoy, and you know, I'll see you another time when stuff starts happening. Maybe emergency stream, maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? Take care, guys. Bye bye.